Hello, this is Punnendurai. I am a financial advisor. So, what is happening is a wonder to blunder. Why I am saying wonder to blunder? A lot of wrong things is happening over here. What is Republic Day? What is Republic Day? The day on which the rules or regulation formulated for the countryman and accepted by the parliament with the supreme authority who governs India, and it's a respected day. What has happened? Really, what has happened in this 72 years of Republic Day? Lot of wrong things. Lot of wrong things. Who is responsible? Are those formulated these regulations for which this has happened, or those who has offered, who are opposing? You must be getting what I'm saying. It's need to think. Dear citizens of India, it's high time to think over it. What is governance? What is government? Who is the government? The majority stakeholder, or the representative, majority representative? Stakeholder, you understand? Who are the stakeholders? Something, if this decision is taking on a particular sector or anything, those who are the part of it, they are the stakeholder. Do you understand? Something wrong happened, whoever responsible, I don't understand. I think 95% of the public has not yet understood the farmers rules or regulations or farmers, whatever has came on farmers. Who are the farmers? Who are the farmers? It's a big thought required. Who are the farmers? They are the bread earners. Whatever we are having, na, they are earning from the ground, the nature earth, who is Mehraban on us, isn't it? Please be sincere worker for the nature earth, sincere worker for what you have got. If you're enjoying, don't destroy it by any means. Whoever you are the government or you are the whoever, so-called netas. I don't understand who are you, how you dare to, how, from where you got the right to tamper the respected Lal Killa. Who permissioned you? Who are you? I don't know the story behind this. I don't want to know. Whoever they are, na, he will definitely be punished. Definitely punished. Please be careful. राजनीति साल में 5 साल में एक बार होना चाहिए. What is going on? साला साल भर राजनीति चलता है. Where is the development? Where you will reach? It's a big question in front of the voters. Why you are making the people fool? Who are you, by the way? So please don't try. Nature earth is very strong, and beyond your mind rich. Please hold on. Hold on. This is the right time. Take right decision in right time. Don't take decision in random, or don't take haphazard decision. Whimsical decision. Whim is applicable. Secrecy is applicable where it is necessary. In the case of Kashmir, not in the case of farmers. Please take it into the consideration those who are the stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders? The farmers. I don't know those netas who are representing what they are doing, what they are doing nonsense, and you, the government, also doing nonsense. Please hold on. Hold on. This is the right time to hold on. A random whimsically decision is not allowed in case of a government who is governing. You are doing a greater parenting. Parents cannot take whimsical decision on their children. If you are not getting it, those children just forget you. So please hold on. This is my say. Please जाग जाओ. This is a country of Gandhiji, Subhash Chandra Bose, and at last Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the great Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who is a visionary, who is a real visionary. So you are the part of that Atal Bihari Vajpayee. If you are going beyond that, his vision, you are doing wrong. So it's right time to take a right decision. Be a Vajpayee's ideal governance. Thank you. Please forward if you feel right to forward. Subscribe and say at least thanks. Thank you. Good night.